Hi, my glittering gorgeous souls. Welcome back to my channel. So, today I am going to take you all through my day, just like a normal generic day. But today I'm going to prepare like a winter arc list for myself. So, that is why I just thought that why not film the whole day, like just show you all what I do, and then we can also prepare like my winter arc together. So, I think it would be pretty cool. I am about to get my period, so like my body is really tired and in pain right now. So that is why I'm not going to push it a lot. So we are going to keep things a little slow, and let me show you all my to-do list for the day and what I'm doing now, so we can just go forward with it. This is like my to-do list for the day. I really like making like physical to-do lists, although I have like notion boards made and all also, but I just think like physical to-do lists are like so much better. Also, I'm having some cold coffee and I'm having half a banana and some dry fruits. So I got ready and I'm going to shoot some Instagram videos now. And this is what I'm wearing. So I also got my periods like just now. But I'm just going to shoot videos because I already got ready. And generally, I don't really shoot or do anything hectic on my first day of period. I really like to just rest, relax, and do some tiny work related stuffs. उतना major मैं करती नहीं हूँ. Let's shoot some content for Instagram. So I'm done shooting for Instagram. I shot a few videos. ज़्यादा shoot नहीं किया because like I said, I got my period. So थोड़ा pain हो रहा है and I don't want to exert myself a lot. I really don't want to overdo stuffs, if you know what I mean. I want to give my body and mind some rest. So basically I've shot and काफी कुछ plan था मेरा आज के लिए. I was also about to go out with my mom in the evening, but I don't think वो भी possible होगा. And winter arc का list and all will prep at night. Nahi to will continue this day in my life tomorrow. And right now I can just focus on resting for a little while because so this is the next day. I literally could not shoot yesterday because after that last clip that you just saw, I was just like, I slept. I was on bed like the entire day that was left. So I just didn't do anything, and even raat mein I just I was just watching movies and everything because like I had no energy. So जो मैंने already कल किया था मैं वो सब दिखा के आप लोगों का टाइम वेस्ट नहीं करूंगी because जो मैंने कल किया था like client work, freelance का client का work, then some content work and everything, वो सब भी मुझे आज करना है. But I'm not going to show that to you again and bore you guys because आप लोग ने already कल देख लिया है. So main तो आज I'll show you all that only, how I prepare my winter arc list and how you can do and all of those things. So yeah, let's get going with the day. Lot of people have asked me for my hair care routine also. अभी तो उतना curls defined है नहीं because I watched it just now and मेरा उतना एनर्जी था नहीं, तो इसलिए आज तो सिर्फ आई वॉश्ड इट, कंडीशनड इट एंड नॉर्मल लाइक लीव इन कंडीशनर वगैरह लगा के छोड़ दिया. पहले बचपन में मेरे कर्ली बाल नहीं थे. ओके, इट्स लाइक वेरी माई कर्ली हेयर स्टोरी, इट्स लाइक वेरी इंटरेस्टिंग. बहुत ही अजीब सा स्टोरी है. मे बी दैट आई विल इंक्लूड व्हेन आई मेक माई कर्ली हेयर रूटीन का वीडियो बिकॉज फिर उसमें क्या बोलूंगी, मैं इधर ही सब बोल दूंगी तो व्हाट विल आई स्पीक इन दैट वीडियो. सो ओके, आई एम गोइंग टू स्पीक अबाउट ऑल ऑफ दोज थिंग्स एंड स्टोरी टाइम वगैरह वगैरह सब मैं करूंगी कर्ली वाले वीडियो में, लाइक कर्ली बाल रूटीन वाले वीडियो में. So it's been a while since we last talked, and after talking to you all, I had my breakfast and then I worked for a little. Abhi I have some time left before lunch and I am going to start with my winter arc list. So before I make my list, I'll just tell you all a little bit about winter arc, what it is, and like the basics of it. It basically starts from 1st October and it's like October, November, and December. I'll also attach like a definition ka screenshot or something because Google Zindabad. But anyways, so basically I use a very normal sa classmate ka notebook, and this notebook is basically a very trusted notebook of mine. I have basically written everything in this. Like if you see, मैंने अपना birthday content का सारा scripting and सब planning भी इसमें किया था. So this is like Instagram script का section, and I've written all my scripts over here, and this section is for YouTube. And इसी notebook में मैंने bucket lists भी लिखे हैं, अपने सारे bucket lists. So basically the point is that ये notebook में सब कुछ लिख लेती हूँ मैं. So I'm done with making my winter arc list for 2025, and I've also mentioned like the month October to December, and I'll give you like a winter arc tour now. So the first category that I have created is the physical self category. So basically under this you will add all of the things you want to focus for your physical self. Next, I have created a mental well-being category. Under this you will add all of the things that will help you keep your mental sanity. Basically you can add all of the things related to mental well-being. Now the next category that I have created is the work category. Now you can even create a school or academics category next to it, or like instead of it, if you are a student. I like to write all the goals that I want to achieve till December. By the end of December आपको क्या क्या goals achieve करने हैं, आप वो सब इधर लिख सकते हो. Small goals, big goals, anything you can just mention here. And this is something that I like to end my winter arc list with. Basically जहाँ पे मैंने winter arc list बनाया, उसी के next page में I have written like a small letter to myself. It's not a letter, it's like this short. So I like making physical lists, but it's not necessary कि आप खुद से notebook में pen से फिजिकल लिस्ट बनाओ, नेसेसरी नहीं है. इफ यू वांट टू यूज नोशन, इफ यू वांट टू यूज योर नोट्स ऐप, यू कैन डू इट. इफ यू वांट टू राइट इट ऑन व्हाट्सएप एंड कीप इट, you can do that. So it's totally up to you. Secondly, there is another thing that I do on top of this for my winter arc season. So basically I love Pinterest. So what I do is that ये मैं एक दिन में नहीं करती हूँ, this I do throughout these 3 months. So basically I create a mood board on Pinterest, and basically a Pinterest board, and I name it like winter arc 2025, and उसमें I will just keep on adding certain pins and images and quotes or something. Basically the vibe that I'm looking forward to, वो सब vibe के images and pins I just save in that board. Lunchtime. So guys, look at this place. It's like totally empty. So I got this very shant place, and यहाँ पे कोई नहीं है. I'll just take the mauka and just shoot for a little while. Just an outfit check, जो मैंने ऑलरेडी घर में शायद दिखा दिया है, but it's okay. So I think that was it for this video, and in this video my main agenda was just to tell you all how I make my winter arc list and how I prep for it, and basically just to also show you all my day. And my day के जगह 2 days हो गया, but it's okay, better more than less. So yeah, I hope that this video was a little helpful as well, because winter arc बनाया हमने साथ में. So yes, thank you so much for watching guys, and I'll see you in my next video very soon.